I can't believe we're here at the Scania factory. Look at the size of that logo. And they're actually moving the new trucks right behind me.
Truck 5, you're cleared to proceed. Watch left side.
Now, easy. Watch the stack on the left.
Almost there. Bring it down slow.
We need the beams from row 12 ready by morning.
Already accounted for. The shipment is on schedule.
We are seeing a slight variance in the Z-axis calibration here.
Yeah. Let's adjust the feed rate immediately.
All right, the main loom is secured and the connector is seated properly. Looks good.
Scan complete. All systems optimal.
Data confirms stable performance. We are good to go.
We have a slight leak near the headlight assembly.
Noted. The intensity is increasing now.
All systems clear on the diagnostic.
Confirmed. The Scania is approved for release.
The camber angle on the front left is drifting outside tolerance.
I'm initiating the hydraulic adjustment now. It's stabilizing.
Ignition sequence initiated. Oil pressure holding steady.
Vibration levels stabilizing on platform 4.
The particulate count is stabilizing nicely.
Excellent. That meets the compliance standard.
Initiating sequence B7. Monitor the power curve.
Power holding steady. Diagnostics confirm full integration. We are good to go.
Look at the refresh rate on the center display.
It's very fast. The night calibration seems accurate.
The mirror housing is secure. How are the brake lines looking?
Clear, and the warning lights are fully functional.
Great. All parameters are within tolerance on the checklist.
The quality is approved. It is complete.
Well done. Congratulations.
All right, driver, slowly now.
Copy that. Rolling slowly.
And stop. Chock the wheels.
All right, take it up slow. Watch the stack on the left. You're clear. Keep coming up. We got it. Notice the pressure reading on the diagnostic tablet.
Is that within the normal operating range?
Yes, perfectly within spec.
Should I select this option for the engine performance?
Yes, that helps us categorize the feedback correctly.
From the early 1900s, shown here, to this award-winning truck, Scania has always prioritized innovation and sustainability.
Notice how the hydrogen tanks are integrated seamlessly into the chassis. A massive improvement over the current iteration.